the title is definitely correct. I did turbo the Civic for under $300. I'll go over those details in just a moment, but link will be in the description for the entire how-to video. It's on the Texas Honda channel. It's like a 20-minute video, but it's pretty detailed and it'll show you how to do this. But yeah, so the log manifold's already rusted because it was raining the night after I turboed it, and the moisture got on there and it's already rusted. But I'm gonna probably powder coat this black using an actual powder coater. But yeah, the TD05H turbo from the Eclipse that was on this channel, that's the turbo that's right here. This intercooler kit was off of Amazon, which there will be links in the description of the video on the Texas Honda channel where to get the stuff I used. But it runs pretty good. We gotta still hook up a boost gauge because we have no idea what boost pressure I'm at, and it is still on the auto, which is surprising. It runs really good, surprisingly, but it needs a tune, and I have to put the 525cc injectors in. But for the most part, it's running and driving, and it's not leaking any oil, so we're happy. I do still have the AC, which is right down there, as you can see. It's just really close to the turbo, so I will have to get an aftermarket downpipe and then wrap it up with the header wrap. But overall, it was pretty simple install. It took like 8 hours to do the editing on it, and I believe the video took about 8 or 9 hours, but that's because I had to constantly reposition the camera would die, so on. But yep, there will definitely be more updates on this channel of this car and this setup. It will be getting manual swapped in the future, just because I don't like autos that much. But we have a gap issue right here where the headlight meets the bumper. That's because the intercooler is a little too far out, which I show you on the other channel in the video I did on this. But yeah, so definitely check that out. Link will be in the description. Go over there, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Now, for the details on how I turboed it for under $300 off of Amazon, the turbo I got for trade work, so it didn't cost me any out-of-pocket money. The oil feed line I got from a subscriber here in Texas. The oil drain off of the turbo and all of that stuff, that was already with the turbo, so I didn't have to buy any special adapters or fittings or anything like that. I spent $10 on the T-piece that I made on the back, which I show you how to make on the Texas Honda channel. The intercooler piping, clamps, and intercooler was a full kit off Amazon for $159, and it was a pretty straightforward, simple install. Blow-off valve was sent to me from a subscriber, Black Moon Builds. Link will be in the description for his channel. Go give Juan some love. He has a nice Skyline, so go check his channel out. But yeah, overall it was pretty cheap to do. I just have to do the downpipe and get a boost gauge, obviously a tune, because I'm not going to drive around all the time untuned. That's stupid. So yeah, definitely go and check that video out and let me know what you think in the comments below on that video, and let me know what you think in the comments below on this video. I'll give it a rev for you so you can hear how it sounds. But that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely check out the Texas Honda channel and let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.